Hey, today is Monday, December 14th, and a beautiful day here in Texas. I mean, absolutely amazing. But in honor of our brother Tom Daun, whose life we celebrated today, I think it's important that we give you a little update because Tom was on the team that built the 100 building here, and he has been serving the last couple years on the team that is in charge and been planning and building the 200 building that's being built behind me. So today, in honor of Tom, you get a sneak peek into what's going on in the 200 building today. Hey, this is really cool. Guess what? I'm out here in front of the new 200 building in what is one of the front entrance doors and about to walk in. Come in with me. And just as far as an update about what's going on, this is the lobby and stuff being built out. Drywall's in, they're mudding and taping and doing all that kind of exciting stuff. This is pretty cool what all is happening here and the work that's happening. Brick going into another side of the building on the east side actually. So much being finished out. This is pretty cool. It's very exciting. That's your update for what's going on in the new 200 building at Waterbrook Bible Fellowship.